Hello, everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of Orbita Podcast. My name is Manas, and this is my beautiful co host, Nitya Bhatia. Hi, Nitya. What's up?
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Oh my god, Nitya, what is on your
Did you just
head?
notice something?
What is on your head?
So this is new development, guys.
Please explain it to the
Okay, I made
people
it.
who are just listening
Yeah,
to this.
I've made it too obvious, but basically, well, I just turned 50 on the 15th of June, and yeah, I didn't want to create a controversy ho jata, quarrel ho jata. I would say I'm 23 minus like kya bakwas kar rahi hai and all that. So I was like, theek hai. Na tera na mera. So yeah, so my really generous Mamuji gifted me this pair of headphones as equipment. It's an addition to my podcast equipment, and god, I needed it because I had in-ear headphones. You guys have seen me with in-ear headphones in the previous episodes, and they would keep popping out of my ears, and
I
I would like
cannot
have to
relate.
keep stuffing them back in
Sorry.
because I don't know why.
Sorry, I cannot relate. Oh, because I already have
Yeah,
one.
because wow. Whatever, like a old pair of skull candies. So, anyways, so yeah, these are really good headphones. It's so lightweight, and the best thing about on-ear headphones like are that I don't even have to care about my hairstyle. I save like 15 minutes of time before I record this podcast because it's practically covers like half my head. So I'm good to go and totally sorted. And yeah, guys, it was last week was my birthday week, and yeah, it
How
was
was it?
crazy.
क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं है
Well,
बट बता दो क्या हुआ
हाँ,
था.
तू क्या जाने? मतलब some weirdo like called me at 11:30 p.m. just to make sure that nobody calls me at 12. Forcefully had a conversation with me for half an hour. Till we reached a point where my dad was like, हाँ हम तो exist ही नहीं करते. कब से खड़े हम रूम के बाहर तुम्हें wish करने के लिए? And even then this guy is not hanging up. He's like, नहीं 12 बजेंगे तभी मैं. And I was like, wow. So he was just so adamant and like completely stubborn as he always is. But my birthday was it was simple. It was a very simple affair, but nice. Spent with family. Before that, my gal friends came over for a night, and we wind it up and we danced to like some Bollywood music, which was like good old fun, like Kajrare and those kind of songs. And that was going great. And then, of course, the night took a strange twist. We There was this petty fight that got triggered at some unearthly hour of the night at 3 a.m. and we fought and argued till 7 a.m. and we slept for like barely 2 hours. So yeah, it was an unforgettable and very memorable birthday in every way. And the next morning we kind of laughed it off and I made them breakfast. So yeah, it was it was pretty crazy in every way, and we shot some disgusting reels just to kind of remember that crazy night we had, not for public consumption. So yeah, that was my birthday. it
And now I'm
was
going to
it
roll all
was
those videos right now. Three, two, one. Imagine
हाँ
if
डालना.
I don't want
हाँ.
people to. पहले हमारे views कम हो रहे हैं, so I don't want them to even drop down
After
because the bottom.
Melinda Gates episode of being recorded without without any permission or consent, I wouldn't dare send you any video that has me in it. So yeah, don't worry about it. I mean, now even Zoom takes my permission to record every episode because Zoom is
First of all,
sensitive,
no,
which you
it
aren't.
doesn't. No, no, it doesn't take your
Yeah.
permission. It informs you that this meeting is being recorded.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I can press
Secondly,
continue or I can leave. That's
and
up to me
and
because I'm
second
aware.
and secondly, I have those videos, so I don't know what she's talking about. कि मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है.
But
Either you're challenging me to put it there, but I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to fall for it. Anywho, so
you're
that was a
you're too
boring
afraid
weekend.
because Vidushi Amrita also there in that video, so teri fategi anyway.
No, no,
Yeah.
I can edit really well, so it'll just have your parts,
Mm,
embarrassing parts, good enough to, you know,
yeah,
so
add some more views onto the video. Sure, anything for views.
ignoring her and her 51st birthday. So मैं बताता
50.
हूँ. Dude, you have been 50 for like last 3 years.
साल पे साल बढ़ाए जा रहा है
You've been 50
हर
for like three
एपिसोड में.
years. It's time that you admit that you're 51 now. So anyway, so my like इसका boring था, कुछ cat fight हल्का सा हुआ था. My was actual खतरों के खिलाड़ी thing. So I was doing some work and I was fixing something and I was standing on my chair because it's more handy and convenient. So I was standing on it and all of a sudden पता नहीं क्या हुआ because my fat ass the chair just broke and I literally just as a Tom and Jerry में होता है ना, like people just go down the hole
वाह,
and but
तुम्हारी बेइज्जती करने का मन ही नहीं करता, तुम खुद ही अपने में ही हो जाते हो बेइज्जत.
it is what it is, man. And I literally
Yeah.
just fell down and unlike Tom and Jerry wala cheese, it was not a clear hole, like things were really bad, so I scraped my knee, not knee, entire leg, and I just bled a little. थोड़ा सा खून निकला बस, और कुछ नहीं हुआ, ज़्यादा और कुछ नहीं
How
हुआ.
depressing. What a complete contrast to my happening life. You can
Quite
see that.
happening, quite
Yeah.
happening. Cat fight is what I wanted in my life. I'm doing this podcast,
There
so
was wine and music and dance and थोड़ा
मार
drama तो
पिटाई.
चलता.
So that was our week, nothing that special. थोड़ा खतरों के खिलाड़ी मेरे knees पे हुआ, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा big boss हुआ इसके घर पे. That's all. But moving from that, let's actually talk the main topic. Let's talk about the main topic of our episode. That is Pride Month, LGBTQ people. Let's talk about
Hey,
them.
it's Pride Month, guys.
Yeah. So I got a request
I'm
from
so
my
excited.
yeah. So I got a request from my friend, and they were like, please do this. I'm my friend. I gave myself this topic. Become your friend.
They were like, means there's more than one person. I am my own friend.
Yeah, multiple personalities, MPG.
Ah.
So I'm my own friend. You should follow
Ah.
life lessons by Manas. Become your own friend before you become others' friend.
Yeah, I think if nothing else, we'll definitely get sympathy views. हाय कोई friend नहीं है इसका बेचारा देख ही लो.
अगर sympathy views आते ना, I swear to God, इसमें एक भी अच्छी चीज नहीं होती. मैं सिर्फ रोने धोने अपनी सेक्शन
हम
लगता है.
दुखी कर देंगे.
Yeah. So yeah, moving on. So let's talk about LGBTQ plus and Pride Month. What's your stance? Are you a hater? Are you
I
listen?
absolutely love the LGBTQ community. I just love, I think, first of all, how can you, like, I think, like, if you reverse the question, like, how can you hate somebody for the sexual orientation?
Listen,
It's
I
like,
don't
it's
hate
like,
anyone. I hate everyone regardless of their sexual orientation or gender or anything. If they're
uh,
assholes,
you
they
hate people who do
assholes.
not give you enough likes on your food account.
Dude, listen. दुखती रग पे don't ऐसी ना की हरकत मत कर.
Sorry, did I like strike a chord somewhere? I don't know. Like, people are just so ultra sensitive and touchy these days. So,
Yeah, so I hate her and people regardless of their gender and sexual orientation.
uh-huh.
But let's play
Wow.
devil's advocate. Why do actually people hate LGBTQ people? Pride month, like we're going in a different direction. Why do people hate? But yeah, actually, I literally
No, we should talk about it. Let's talk about
like
it.
why do people hate? People think it's
Yeah. Why do
immoral.
people hate?
I think this
I
statement is
think
immoral.
because it is some people say that it is against the laws of nature. It's unnatural.
First of all,
Uh,
this is not against the law of nature. This is scientifically proven. Even animals have homosexual tendencies. A lot of things happen. So I don't know कहाँ से लोग अपनी चीज लेकर आ रहे हैं. You know what it is. Some people have half-ass information. So and in Mark Manson's The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F, he says that like sometimes brain what it does is it has two things, and बीच में कुछ नहीं है gap. So brain makes up stories to just make a sense of the entire thing. So people are like, अरे ये चीज होती नहीं है, very unnatural. हमने तो नहीं देखा अपने माँ बाप के जमाने में.
it's like the world it's like the world you have witnessed becomes the only world you will know, and then you believe that's the only world to ever exist. It's like somebody who lives in one room for their entire life and then thinks that they know the world through seeing an atlas every day. It does
नहीं तो
not work like that.
it's very similar to COVID. Some people are like,
Yeah.
this is a conspiracy. This is ये तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है, mask की जरूरत नहीं है, until they get it and then they spread it and then they die. Yeah,
And then they
Darshil
don't even live to
face
wow.
the consequences.
Yeah, we're doing a great job at already depressing people. वो मनहूस वाला part might be working, and
I
we'll
think
know based on
the,
how many views we get.
if they would not be contagious ना, I think that then it's fair. आग के साथ खेलोगे. But this isn't at all. I hope nobody gets affected because they are contagious or they could. But this, unlike them and stupidity, it's not
Yeah.
contagious. Some so you know, like speaking of contagious, a lot of,
Homosexuality is not contagious. Like,
not
just
just
engrave
homosexuality,
that. Let that
every,
sink in, guys.
yeah, not just homosexuality, all the sexualities. For instance, you
Yeah.
know, we're talking about contagious and all that, which is a bad segue. But then a lot of people say that, you know, they want to protect the young ones, the kids. They don't want the bad influence on the kids. But my question is, our society is made up of, you know, majority of it is made up of heterosexual people, and we know a lot of assholes who are heterosexuals. So if majority of those people could not influence a little child's brain, and he's, you know, more influenced by the oppressed, the one who's not getting the perks, who's getting beaten down, I don't think that's how it happens. तो जाएगी जहाँ कोई पिट रहा है.
No,
The less
and the other
rights.
thing is, the other thing is, like, it's outrageous how you can determine somebody's character based on their sexual orientation and their gender. Like, you can't say, oh, he's a gay person, so he's zarur फूकता होगा, zarur he's a bad person.
नहीं, I
He
think.
doesn't have any values
Mhm.
and he must be immoral. Like, that is just, how can you even think that way?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मोरालिटी का जो लोग लेके घूमते हैं ना, इट्स वेरी सब्जेक्टिव. What is convenient to
Yeah.
them, they use that, and that's been the patriarchy. You know, like we have been witnessing. So let's just not go there. But usually why people do it is, I think it's the insecurities and the fear of the unknown. And sometimes, you know, people cannot wrap their head around a concept, and they're like कि, मुझे समझ नहीं है तो होता नहीं है. Like, you know, we're
It's
talking about
pure denial. It's pure denial.
like
Yeah.
COVID and vaccine. They're like, ये वैक्सीन कुछ होती नहीं है. ये वर्क नहीं करती, ये पानी डाल रहे हैं हमारे अंदर. So it's very similar to that. But so some people actually cannot wrap their head around, you know, like how can somebody be transgender, how can they not be, you know, comfortable with the body they are in. It seems unnatural. So there's a really, I'll give you a song. It's a really beautiful song by Rebel. Like Mega shared it with me 3 years ago. It's called The Village, and I'll share the link in the description of our show
What
notes.
is it about?
Yeah, I'll tell you. So it's about a girl who is
Hmm.
not comfortable in a gender, like in a body, and she wants to become a man. Like she's a transgender, and it's a fight between her and her father, and how she sees her. You know, like how she feels. You know, restricted, and how liberated she feels. You have to watch it.
Hmm.
It's amazing. Like in just 3 minutes, the whole story is told so beautifully. And so the they before the song starts, they display a message that says that in nature, flocks attack the birds who are more colorful because they find them threatening, right? It's they see them as a threat, so they attack. So it's very
Yeah,
similar
it's
to
like it's like
humans.
being the misfit,
Yeah, being the
and being
outcast.
the odd one out. Yeah.
So they attack as a threat. They're like, oh yes, yes, or you know, it's very thing. It's not a threat or attack, but like, you know, some people say, yes, I saw a TikTok recently. Not on TikTok. We are India. We are in India. We are Indians. We don't have TikTok. But I saw it on you know, reel on Instagram.
Clarify, we have takatak.
मैं तो उस पे नहीं हूँ, and I do not want to be associated with
मैं
that.
भी नहीं हूँ.
Sure. So in that reel I saw that, you know, a guy was like, you're gay. So, you know, he sort of, you know, got alert, and he was like, थोड़ा ना distance maintain कर लिया. So the person, the said gay person was like, why why are you acting so strange? So he was like, I don't know, dude, it makes me feel uncomfortable, you know, the way you're looking at me, like I don't know, like it feels sort of. He was like, so like do you think this is how female feels? Do you think you're going to attack every female, like you're just walking past by you? And he was like, no, of course not. So he was like, exactly. Why would I be attracted to every other person, you know, if I'm attracted to men, but not all men. I have a taste.
Yeah, people have preferences.
People
I
put
mean, it's not
themselves,
that.
but people put themselves so high up. They're like, कि हम तो हर एक का choice है. हम हैं Mr. India. Everybody will like me. I'm like, ऐसा नहीं है.
I mean, this is the level of like, I think ignorance is darkness and this ignorance is bliss, and this is exactly signs of ignorance, that you feel that if you're gay, or if you're lesbian, then you'll just start kind of checking out and hitting on every man or every woman that's in front of you. Like, that's what I'm saying, because you still see it as a problem, you still see it as some sort of some sort of a defect, or some sort
Exactly.
of a misalignment,
Some so
and that is.
all the connotations are negative basically, right? All of it are negative. So for instance, people comment like they अब तो फिर भी थोड़ा कम हो गया, like people used to comment so badly on Shawn Mendes. He's a singer, Canadian singer, and people were
Yeah,
like
yeah, of
oh
course, we all know and love Shawn Mendes.
yeah,
We love you,
and
Shawn.
शॉन जीजा जी सुन रहे हैं, मैं कह रहा आ रहा हूँ भाई। ये मेरे इंडिया में फैंस है, आई वांट टू।
बस आ रहा हूँ मैं इन दुखियारी लोगों को सहारा देने।
या 30 से 31 व्यूज होंगे, 31st वुड बी हिम। Yeah, so we are digressing. So basically he gets a lot of comments, he's gay, and why does he get it? Because he's a civil human being. He is nice to other people. He's not full of, he does not exhibit any sort of toxic male toxic behavior, and he's seen as gay now iski wajah se. So in one interview, like he never responds to these speculation and rumors, so he usually ignores them. So in one interview, the interviewer asked him ki, why is that, why don't you just respond and kill the rumors? And then he was like, listen, first of all, I really don't care what people assume about me, right? Because thing is, people try to use that as an insult, some of them like more.
Hmm.
And then he was like, he a lot of, and I don't want to respond to that. First of all, I don't want to respond to haters altogether, and also I don't want to respond to that because there are a lot of people who are part of LGBTQ people who are my family and friends, and I do not want to insult them by just discarding it कि मैं ये नहीं you as if it's a bad thing or it's a disease. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So why do I even entertain this thought, you know?
I think that's amazing. That's an amazing thought, and more power to him, that he doesn't feel the need to kind of prove people, like change the narrative, or change people's impression about him, because he doesn't see being gay as as a bad thing, or considering that, oh my god, my reputation is kind of going to go totally down the dumps if people perceive I'm gay. So because it's not an inferior thing, and he's not trying to correct people, and I think that's really an amazing thing to do. uh,
So like he, for instance, he complimented somebody. Like I'll be open about it. Shawn Mendes is a really beautiful human specimen. he's really good looking, and I'm not insecure.
yeah.
Like I'm secure in my sexuality. I can compliment anyone who looks good, looks pretty. Like इसमें कोई बात नहीं है. Some people hold themselves back. कि, oh my god, I don't want to look like I'm desperate or I'm giving wrong signals. No, there's nothing wrong. If you want to compliment anyone. But the
Hmm.
whole thing is that like people are so intrusive, people are so interested to know if he is, to know about his sexuality. Like I don't, like, have you seen any heterosexual people person come out to their parents be like, mummy papa, I'm straight, I am attracted to the opposite sex, क्या करूं मैं? ऐसा कभी नहीं देखा ना. And the best example is Call Me by Your Name.
I
In that,
think, but also I think it's also about not. So that's the whole part, I mean, just imagine if I'm saying, "Oh my God, I just realized I'm a woman because I started menstruating at 13," and I'm like, "That this is it, guys. I have to come out to my family about this." I mean, I think that's the thing, that it's about normalizing it. If we could just normalize, the fact that like I'm heterosexual, or I am straight, he's gay, she's lesbian, he's trans. Like it's like, why do you need to even come out? Why can't it be so normal that you don't even have to, make it like a day that you're kind of declaring this to your
and that
entire
is what I was
family
trying to
and
tell,
friend
and that is
circle.
what I was trying to tell people with the
Yeah,
story, an example before you cut me off. What is this?
go ahead. My
so
God, so passive aggressive.
so a great example is Call Me by Your Name. In that movie,
One of my
which
favorite films.
and she gets all the facts wrong whenever we discuss about Call Me by Your Name. She पता नहीं क्या अलग से
Oh, come
hallucination हो गई है
on.
इसको movie देखते हुए. She gets all the facts and scenes wrong, completely
I
wrong.
was just so overwhelmed with my emotions for that movie that I might have kind of got the order mixed up, but never changes my love for Timothy and Army Hammer.
We are digressing. So the
Match
whole
made
thing
in
is that
heaven.
initially that guy, he was in love with a girl, and then he was in love with a guy, and the family seemed completely chill. They it was like he, like changing your seat, classmates, like hanging out with someone, like it was like that chill कि उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था, because वैसे बहुत ही सारी चीज़ chill थी. The country house, their lifestyle.
Italy. No, I think so. So when you just said no, he was in love with a girl, and then he was in love with a guy. I think first of all, he thought he was in love with this girl, but because his
ये
parents were
देखो,
so chill.
again we are getting to that. She's getting all the facts wrong. He
No, in
never
this, no. What I mean is, what I mean is that he was dating this girl
he
until
was not.
it was implied that he developed feelings for this guy, the student, who had come to spend the summer with his dad, who was a professor. And the thing is that his dad and his mom were so open, they were so inclusive that he could actually explore his sexuality. And that is what I'm trying to say, that there'll be so many people who might even not know that they are gay, because or they might not even give themselves the permission because of fear. So he could do that, and his dad was so supportive, and their love never changed for him. They never changed the way they perceived their son because they realized that he is into men. And
And quite honestly, because of movies and shows like that, like
yeah.
I sort of educated myself. I read a lot about it. I saw a lot of interviews, whatever YouTube channel, whatever. And sometimes I don't even realize, if I'm following a creator, content creator, or a YouTube, anyone you want to call it, and they are gay, and you find them, oh, they were completely fine, and until they did not disclose that information, I really did not care or did not affect the work they were putting out. And then I realized ki, oh, it really doesn't matter what people are, like
Mm.
beside their work and their values and stuff. So I think if you want to educate yourself properly, like we don't usually say this, calm like advice and all that, but if you want to do that, watch good movies, shows about them, or
Yeah.
read about it to sort of जो भी thoughts
There
हैं
are
like.
there are a few Instagram accounts I really like. For example, the Sophie Sun and Traveling Gaze, and also like Megan Crab, who is Body Posy Panda on Instagram. She's dating this transgender guy. It's really amazing. I mean, you know what? If you want to, if you genuinely want to respect them, you genuinely want to understand them, go go follow them, read their stories, understand their lives. These are digital creators. They have a big following, and learn about them and understand them, and that's the only way you can sensitize yourself towards them
If you cannot
versus just
my
making assumptions.
yeah, my thing is, if you cannot educate yourself, just imagine, like, just like this. Because like abhi to kya hota hai, people are just confused about homosexuality, or transgender people, or asexual and pansexual and bisexual. Now new things are coming up: binary, non-binary, which we have.
Non-binary, yeah.
Yeah, there's so many things that we even we don't, but we do not discard those people ki, oh, we don't कि हट ना यहाँ से, हमें तो नहीं पता ये चीज़ होती नहीं है, क्या तुम क्या नई चीज़ों के साथ आ रहे हो. Just imagine if you were like, if all of a sudden people start treating you like an outcast because of your sexuality or your gender, not because of your work or your personality, how good you are with the other people. No, not because of that, but just because of your sexuality, you're treated
that
badly.
is that is our conditioning, and our conditioning is a lot to do with also our upbringing and the amount of exposure we've had to the world. Like, for example, who gets to decide that a certain color or a certain occupation can only be kind of linked with a certain gender? Why? Like, even when you were talking about Shawn Mendes, just because somebody who, like, for example, if there's a man who likes to wax, or who is very emotionally expressive, people will think he's too feminine, and then they'll assume he's gay. But those things still make you man enough. You can like pink,
You
you
know
can
the thing
like
is,
girly clothes and still be man enough.
talking about your color, pink color, and feeling manly or
Yeah.
whatever. People, the thing is, people don't question the norm, why they are the way they are, and why they
Mm.
think certain things the way they are. Like for instance, मैं दो बार बोला the way they are. So for instance, the blue color you're talking about, blue color was actually considered pink. Blue color was actually considered feminine, and pink was considered masculine before Hitler. Then Hitler came in, and like a lot of things he destroyed, and he was like, from now onwards, pink would be feminine color and blue would be masculine color, and without any
Yeah.
questioning, till date, people are just following these norms. कि लड़का हुआ है blue चीजें
Blindly.
तो, just without any sort of
Yeah.
reasoning.
And even of course, let's not forget the games कि लड़की को बारबी थमा दो, and like लड़के को
GI
like
Joe,
car games. Yeah.
GI Joe or something like that.
Yeah. So
But the
that's
thing,
just
the reason,
limiting.
yeah, the reason we are doing this episode is not because we want to talk about this and get some views, which is a different topic. We do not want to talk about that.
All,
uh,
yeah, yeah.
but the thing is, pride actually started with riot in because Stonewall riots, it started in New York because people of color, like blacks, Hispanic people, Indian, brown, or whatever, like all these people were attacked because they were homosexuals, and then they started to fight. It all started, it involved AIDS epidemic and all that, and it started as something they've fought for their rights to be seen as equals. And then it eventually sort of that butterfly effect came into India and all over the world, and now we're sort of homosexuality is decriminalized. But people still don't realize is that the reason people do pride is not to get attention for any, just they're not attention seeking for wrong reasons. It's because they want to put attention to, because they want equal rights, and people don't understand. They're like,
Yeah.
decriminalize कर तो दिया, अब रहो तुम्हें जिसका जो करना है. But thing is, they're not seen as equals at the heterosexual people. If you are a transgender, married to a transgender, not married, you can't even marry. First of all, LGBTQ people cannot marry each other. So that's a whole story. And the reason it's important is because, for instance, I read that if somebody gets sick, suppose you are in a relationship with somebody for 30 years, you're considered partner, wife, or whatever, and so all the difficult important medical decisions will not be taken by the partner. They will not even consider them. If something happens, they die, they can't even adopt kids, they can't even
Mm.
have property together. So there so many things come. Imagine your
Yeah.
normal
So,
parents,
uh,
mom and dad, they don't get the part of each other, तो होते क्या होता है, जब कोई चला जाता है and everything, they don't get a say in anything. So that's heartbreaking, and that's why
no,
the
what you
Pride
just
month is
said,
important.
what you just said about like like कि हाँ we've like we've decriminalized it, so like go live your life. I mean, just it's for example, like when we talk about feminism, also feminism is not about putting women on a pedestal. It's about
Or
treating your
putting
daughter
men
like the way
down.
you would treat your, yeah, it's about treating your daughter the way you would treat your son. There's a difference between giving one more power versus treating both equally, and that's exactly what even the LGBTQ community is asking for. That's not about giving them more importance. It's about including them. It's about giving them as much of importance like you would give any other gender.
Yeah, so that was Pride month, and the whole point of educating some of you through our podcast, this episode.
So guys, follow some of my favorite accounts, and if if you're not that aware or you want to know more about these people, follow them on Instagram. Follow Sufi Sun, follow Traveling Gaze. uh, I love I absolutely love their accounts, because their stories say so much about the lives they've lived. Follow the India Love Project, because they also share stories of some really good successful marriages from various communities, regardless of caste, faith, ethnicity, gender. So follow these accounts, and this episode is basically a little
And
gesture
one
from our
second,
side.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I would recommend also people, but the thing is, I was following those people, and then they came out and they were like, hey, I'm this and that. One of the biggest example is Lily Singh. I super, like formerly known as I Superwoman, and she
Yes.
is a right now she was a YouTuber. She's still a YouTuber, but now she's a late night co-host, first female person of color, like Indian, uh, queer. She's bisexual, co-host, late night co-host, and she just did 2 seasons of that. So if you want to follow somebody and
Yeah.
show support, please go follow her. And a lot
Follow
of
her as
people,
well.
like, follow
Absolutely.
people
And the
regardless
many
of
people.
follow people
Yeah.
regardless of their sexuality or anything. That's the whole point.
Yeah, absolutely. And this episode is basically like this. First of all, you guys are really close to our hearts. The community, and also I think this is Manas and I. It's a little gesture from our side to show our love and support for the Pride community. So we are with you guys, and LGBTQ, we love you. Yeah, I wanted to say that. And yeah, so that's why we did this episode. And also, if there's somebody who would like to educate us further, or share their thoughts and opinions about this episode, just feel free to drop comments down below, or you can just directly send us an email on the orbatapodcast@gmail.com, or DM us on the Orbata podcast on Instagram, and we would be really happy to connect with you and just know what you feel about this.
Yeah, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Happy Pride, guys!